That's a lot
They're
of
just
It's not going to
controlling.
make any difference if you can see these or not. Like once they
They're
fire,
waiting.
if 6 of them fire, that's probably it anyway.
Now he didn't get the upgrade for him, did he? The quick burrow.
Yeah, he hasn't yet, which is kind of odd.
Here we go, though. It is going to force the Liberator to siege up a little early, which is good. Oh no, they're going to suicide down the ramp now.
So they're not. I don't know if anyone told any bot. They're not melee units. Botlings love attacking rocks. It's their main hobby.
I like watching rocks get attacked. Is that
so weird? I love that we've all just accepted this as a concept.
Just punch rocks until they break.
Yeah, it's not even like they go away. Like if you break rocks, then they just turn into more smaller rocks. But in this case, they disappear.
Oh, it's because you blew them into dust. So the ground does actually raise up by about 1 centimeter in that area.
And you just
once the rock disperses, so it's just very not noticeable.
Fair enough.
That's how nature works. Rocks evenly disperse when you blow them up.
Yes.
Yeah. As you're about to see science in action here, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, we're not.
No!
We're not going to see it.
God damn it!
Well, everything was gone. They could have, but now it's too late. They're not doing anything.
Yeah. I think we've got a little bit of an upset. Did you check any of the brackets? Did anybody predict?
Not a single person has predicted that Eris loses this
Benbot. Awesome. Well, good job, Benbot. You just upset everybody's prediction bracket.
Yeah.
That is something to be proud of, I would say.
Yeah,
except for mine. Technically, mine came true, even though they didn't meet in the lower bracket. I still predicted Benbot to beat Eris, but only because I didn't know anything about Eris at the time. But now that I know Eris is such a badass, I would probably vote for Eris. But after seeing this, though, it's hard to say.
Yeah, I wonder if this is a result of a update that kind of went wrong, or
there were a lot of bug fixes I'm seeing here. So yeah, when you fix a lot of bugs, then yeah, absolutely something could get messed up a little bit. But, well, wait.
Okay.
Wait, what?
So never mind. Eris is the champion.
What?